Good morning, grade 1. Welcome to today's science lesson. Our topic today is we can eat parts of a plant. We can eat parts of a plant. Before we go into the lesson, let's look at the value of the month. Care. We can show that we care for our brothers and sisters by sharing our food like fruits with them. I hope you are going to be a caring friend, a caring brother, or a caring sister today. Lesson objective. By the end of the lesson, students will be able to recognize which part of a plant we eat. By the end of the lesson, we will be able to recognize which part of a plant we eat. The big idea. Let's read the big idea together. We can eat some parts of a plant. Good. Let's read the big idea together so that we will always remember this. We can eat some parts of a plant. Very good. Look at the vegetables in the picture. Did you know that vegetables are healthy food? Remember this: eat well, live well, and you will be well. We would like to start by looking at the key words. We have been practicing reading and writing these ones, and I'm sure now you know how to read all of them. Let's read them together. Stem, leaf, leaves, root, flower, seed, plant. You guys are amazing. Very good. Now, let's go into the lesson. When we eat lettuce, what are we eating? When we eat lettuce, what are we eating? Which part of a plant is lettuce? Have you ever thought about that? When we eat lettuce, we eat the leaves. I will show you other examples of vegetables that we eat that are also plant leaves. We have kale, parsley, cabbage, spinach. We probably have most of these in the home, or maybe you have seen them in the shops. We move on to the next part. When we eat carrot, we are eating the root. Grade 1, do you remember in the other lesson how we saw the carrot root growing in the soil, underground? We learned that a carrot is a root. Some of the other roots that we eat are beetroot, onion, and potato. Mummies use onions all the time when they are cooking. As for potatoes, it does not matter if you are eating potato crisps or fries. They both come from potatoes, so you will be eating the roots. Amazing, isn't it? Now, let's move on to the other part, the stem. Sometimes we eat the stem of the plant. We have celery and asparagus. Celery and asparagus are stems. Celery is used in making yummy soups, and it can also be used as a side dish. Asparagus is also used to make soups. Sometimes it's used to make salads, and it is usually mixed with other foods. So remember, when we eat celery and asparagus, we will be eating the stem of a plant. When we eat saffron, we are eating the flower. Sometimes it can be difficult to imagine that we eat flowers. Saffron, maybe you have eaten it before, maybe not. If not, you can ask your mommy to get it for you. Some common flowers that we eat every day are broccoli and cauliflower. You know this, right? I hope you guys finish all your vegetables during meals because vegetables keep us healthy. The last part we will look at is the fruit. Look at the fruits in this picture. Do you see your favorite fruit? I'm sure you do. I can see mine. I love dates. This is a very common fruit in the UAE, and very soon we will be eating fresh dates. I know some of you like strawberries, some like bananas, apples, and oranges. We should eat fruits all the time. They keep us healthy. We have learned that we can eat different parts of plants as food. Some plants can make us very ill. They are not good to eat. Look at the boy in the picture. He is now in the hospital bed. You need to ask your mom always about plant food before you eat something you are not sure of. Today we have learned that we can eat different parts of plants. We now know that when you eat carrots, you are eating the root. When you eat asparagus, you are eating the stem. Cabbages are leaves. Bananas and apples are fruit. Broccoli and cauliflower are flowers. Now you can go into the kitchen with your mom and find out which parts of plants she has, which you can eat as food. Remember, we eat parts of plants as food. Please complete all of page 85 to show how much you understand about this topic and send it to me. Have a great day, grade 1. Bye-bye.